What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Shad, and bringing you guys a new unboxing, trying to get these in before the year ends, showing you guys what's going on. Got a new pickup, just came in the mail, and I don't know what to think about it. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the unboxing right now. Now I'm trying to do this without having my knife, and I'm struggling. That wasn't the move. Hold on, I'll go get my knife. So let's try this again. Let's go ahead and crack this box open. So Nike dropped these shoes, I don't want to say out of nowhere, but it was completely unexpected. And I'm also surprised that these sold as fast as they did. So all I was able to get my hands on was a toddler size. In a 7C is the Air Force One Colin Kaepernick's. Now I don't know what to expect, if it's any different than the adult sizes, so this review might be for nothing, but let's take a look and see. Look at this. This is crazy. It's got the icy sole. You got the 8/14/16, which, if you guys don't know, is the first game that Colin Kaepernick took a knee. Hopefully, if I've got the extra laces, hopefully he's got the hang tag. I doubt it though, but I'll check the other shoe. Don't come with the hang tag. I would have loved to have seen these with the hang tag. But they do come with extra laces. His face, his likeness on the heel. What are your thoughts on this shoe? Very, very controversial. Whatever your stance is on Kaepernick or his stance on police brutality, you know, the killing of young black people in America. You know, I feel like the message is solid, but I also can't help feel with seeing these, like thinking this is just a check. I mean, this is just a check for dude. Now, if they had said something, if they promote this, and I might, if they have already, forgive me, where all proceeds of this shoe goes to fighting, you know, police brutality, or goes to this organization, then this would have been an ill release. I think this would have been definitely a very, very sought after release. But I think without that, all it looks like is that, you know, Cap's picking up the check. I can't help but feel like that. Post your thoughts below. I hate to stir up controversy, but I want to get you guys' thoughts here on this shoe. You know, do you feel like Cap's just taking the check, you know, taking a knee to the situation, if you will, or if, you know, it is what it is. It's just it's a cool concept. You know, I don't doubt that there's got to be some kind of money going to some kind of organization, like a worthwhile cause. You know, and if not, that would be just a shame. I think it would be just a waste of shoe if this does not get, you know, some kind of backing from an organization to help his movement and his push for equality. Where does this rank on your list of Air Force Ones for the year? 2019, you saw a resurgence of Air Force Ones. $110 is the adult size price point, which is good. Air Force Ones are, you know, usually a lot lower than what I've seen some of them. You got the Alma Maniers, which were $200. Clots were $250, I think. These prices are getting a little out of hand, but, you know, good quality. You're getting what you're paying for, I guess. That's what they should be touting. But, you know, I think this for $110 is a solid shoe. So what I'm hearing is this shoe is set to release at select retailers on the 28th. So I'll be looking out for that tomorrow to see if I can get my hands on the size 12, my size. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might, you know, put these in the giveaway, or, you know, send them back to Nike. I don't know just yet. I like the concept. I just want to see where this money goes. I need to read up on that, because I need to figure out if this money is going to be going to a worthwhile cause. If not, I don't know if I'm gonna put another dime into this. And if so, I might put more money into it. So we'll see. If I get these in adult size, I promise I'll get you guys with a better review. But here it is, the Air Force One, Colin Kaepernick's. I got some more pickups coming in before the year ends. Hopefully I can end 2019 with a bang. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, y'all. 2020, I'm trying to hit that 10K mark. I got a long way to go, so So let's see if we can get there. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Check for what I got going on. I appreciate you guys, and as always, y'all be easy. Peace.